Hey, welcome to Try Trying Harder. Today we have the Linksys Velop Pro 7 Mesh Wi-Fi 7 system. I want to thank Linksys and Best Buy for giving me this product review. Today let's do an unboxing and later I'll come back through with a review video. So let's take a look at this box. As I said, Linksys Velop Pro 7. It's a 3-pack, coverage up to 9,000 square feet, which they think is a 4+ bedroom house. Let's look at some of the other packaging. We got a tri-band Wi-Fi cognitive mesh. This is a lightning fast Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi 7 is a stunning speed of up to 4.8 times faster than Wi-Fi 6. With more bandwidth means everyone in the household can enjoy uninterrupted streaming, gaming, and collaboration with less lag. Lightning fast problem resolution. So the Linksys cognitive experience gets better with every update and delivers lightning fast problem resolution. Open an issue ticket on our mobile app and transmit a Wi-Fi performance snapshot to. So pretty much what they're saying is there's some real-time troubleshooting and you just send them the problem and they'll get back to you. We got lightning fast browsing, as would be expected. Coverage you can depend on. Linksys has been an industry leader in home networking for 35 plus years. You can expect coverage up to 3,000 square feet per node, hence the 9,000. 3-year warranty, there's a lot of threes going on, and 24/7 customer care. All right, the back has a lot going on. Obviously, lightning fast, stable. We got the mesh with Wi-Fi 7. I'm not going to read all this for you. There's a lot of advertisements going on here. Of note, as they bolded, over 10 gigabytes per second. That's a lightning fast transmit speed. Very low latency. So you can get unparalleled streaming, gaming, and collaboration experience, which I'm not sure what we're collaborating on and what we need to be cognitive of, but they have a lot of data going on here. We got Qualcomm Network Pro 620 platform, which is the Wi-Fi 7. And I do believe that Wi-Fi 7 is a game changer as they're throwing on their box. The fastest Wi-Fi setup around. If this holds to any other Linksys product, is an easy peasy, as they say, setup here. Really just plug in the things, throw up the app, and away you go as they break down in these 3 instructions. Here's some home configuration. You can do like a daisy chain topography or a star topography. There's a lot of options when you start putting nodes into your Wi-Fi system. And again, for the second time on the same panel, easy peasy. So we'll see how easy peasy it actually is when we get down to it. This is kind of what the nodes look like. We'll break into the box and see. Here's your specs. Pretty much 3 3/4 inch by 3 3/4, and it's about 8.7 inches tall. Got a couple ports here, which is nice. And then intranet is 2.5 gigabytes per second. Obviously a power. And then some control buttons for reset, on and off. And that's what you need. Let's see what's inside here. So we have in this box 3 nodes with their power adapters, apparently an Ethernet cable. Quick start guide's always nice. You got the true tri-band speed. Nodes can connect up to 200 devices each. That's excessive. So if that's each, that's 600 devices. I don't know what household needs 600 devices connected to Wi-Fi, but they're here to support it. And then if you don't know, this is how it works. So you connect the router to your modem, follow the quick setup guide, and away you go as the Linksys app leads you through the rest of it, which it really does. Let's see, anything else of note? There's nothing really else of note, so let's just get this wrapper off. See what's in the box. And if you can't tell, this is pretty heavy with these 3 nodes in here. Pop this open the top, dive right in. Let's just start with this initial box. What's in here? A node. So here's one. Let's see, there it is, in person. These are pretty big nodes compared to older Linksys nodes. Hopefully white's not too off-putting for your household. There's the 4 Ethernets. And the bottom has the controls, the reset, power on, and I think a pairing. So it's 1 of 3. What else comes in this box? Well, obviously, hey, go download the app so we can set this all up. Makes sense. And then it looks like this box includes the 3 power supplies here and a handy Ethernet cable. All right, next box. I assume that this should be 2 nodes. So here's the other 2 nodes. Looks very much like the other one. Still has all the same ports. And there you go. Some pretty big nodes. There are the contents of the box. 3 nodes, the power supplies, Ethernet cable. Not a whole lot more you need. I'm a pretty big fan of Linksys, so I am already super excited about this. I think these nodes are really going to step up the Wi-Fi game throughout the house. So I'm ready to plug these things in and get cranking. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know anything you would like me to test out with these nodes. I know I do a lot of streaming and definitely hook up multiple devices, cell phones, tablets, laptops, multiple TVs. I don't know that my lowly house can flex the 9,000 square foot reach of these nodes, but I will try. So right off the bat, I'm gonna have to come out and say, hey Linksys, with today's technology, when making nodes of this size, try trying harder.